डी स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू सरल मैथ क्लासेस। एनसीईआरटी क्लास 12th मैथमेटिक्स में आज हम एक्सरसाइज 3.3 करेंगे। 3.3 एक्सरसाइज में हमें निकालना है ट्रांसपोज। ट्रांसपोज होता क्या है? किसी भी मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज निकालने के लिए हमें उसकी जो रो और कॉलम है उनको आपस में इंटरचेंज कर लेना है, केवल इंटरचेंज करना है। ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स ओनली the interchanging of rows and columns each other. Suppose question number first का first part है, here is column matrix 5 1/2 -1 and its transpose T भी कर सकते हैं आप या डैश भी लगा देते हैं। तो ट्रांसपोज ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स इज रो मैट्रिक्स 5 1/2 -1. This is transpose of a matrix. So, transpose of a matrix is that matrix whose interchanging of rows and columns. Second part is 1 -1 2 3. We find out its transpose. Transpose of this matrix is 1 -1 2 3. This is transpose of this matrix. Third part, this is third part. Matrix is -1 5 6 √3 5 6 2 3 -1. We want to find out its transpose. Transpose of this matrix is here -1 5 6. First row we make it in first column -1 5 6. Second row we interchange in second column 3 5 6. Third row changes into third column 2 3 -1. This is transpose. In question number second, if A matrix is -1 2 3 5 7 9 -2 1 1. This is A matrix, and B matrix is, we have given -4 1 -5 1 2 0 1 3 1. This is B matrix, and we verify that in first part, verify that A plus B and its transpose equal में A transpose plus B transpose. We want to verify, हमें वेरीफाई करना है। तो हम क्या करेंगे, at first we add both the matrices. A matrix is -1 2 3 5 7 9 -2 1 1 plus B matrix. B matrix is -4 1 -5 1 2 0 1 3 1, and we have addition of these two matrices is -1 -4 -5 2 1 3 3 -5 -2. Second row 5 1 6 7 2 9 9 0 9 -2 1 -1 1 3 4 and 1 1 2. This is addition of these matrices, and now its transpose. Transpose of this matrix is -5 3 -2 6 9 9 -1 4 2. This is transpose. This is left hand side. Now A transpose. A transpose of this matrix is -1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, -2, 1, 1, and B transpose is -4, 1, -5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. This is transpose of B. And in right side, we addition of both matrices A transpose and B transpose. And right hand side, A transpose plus B transpose. Addition of these two matrices, -1, 5, -2, 2, 7, 1, 3, 9, 1, plus these matrix -4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, -5, 0, 1. Addition of these two matrices is -5, 6, -1, 3, 9, 4, -2, 9, 2. This is right side. And we find out left hand side, -5, 6, -1, 3, 9, 4, -2, 9, 2, and right hand side also -5, 6, -1, 3, 9, 4, -2, 9, 2. So left hand side equal में right hand side. This is verified. In second part, we verified that A minus B and its transpose equal में A transpose minus B transpose. Now left hand side. At first we find out A minus B. A minus B is A minus B. -1 plus 4, 3, 2, -1, 1, 3 plus 5, 8. Because in A we subtract B matrix. Then 5 -1, 4, 7 -2, 5, 9 -0, 9, -2 -1 -3, 1 -3 -2, 1 -1, 0. This is A minus B. And now we find out A minus B and its transpose. Its transpose is we interchange rows and columns of A minus B. 3, 1, 8, 4, 5, 9, -3, -2, 0. This is transpose of A minus B. And this is left hand side. Now right hand side. Right hand side, at first we transpose of A. A transpose is -1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, and -2, 1, 1. This is A transpose. And B transpose is -4, 1, -5, 1, 2, 0, and 1, 3, 1. This is B transpose. Now we find out A transpose minus B transpose. We subtract both the matrices A transpose minus B transpose, and we have now 1 -4, 3, 5 -1, 4, -2 -1 -3, and 2 -1, 1, 7 -2, 5, 1 -3 -2, and 3 plus 5, 8, 9 -0, 9, 1 minus 1 0. This is right hand side. This is right hand side. This is left hand side. Now left hand side equal to right hand side. In question number 3, we have A transpose equals में 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1 and B is minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. In this question we don't have A matrix. Then we find out A, and A is transpose of A transpose. It means V transpose of A transpose. Then 3 minus 1 0 4 2 1. This is A. It means A transpose and its transpose is A, and B here. Then first part, we verify that A plus B and its transpose equal में A transpose plus B transpose. At first we find out A plus B. A plus B means this is A and this is B. A plus B is 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 2 1 0 1 1 and 4 1 5 2 2 4 1 3 4. This is A plus B, and its transpose is A plus B and its transpose is 2 1 1 5 4 4. This is A plus B transpose. This is left hand side. Now right hand side. In right hand side we find out A transpose plus B transpose, and here we have A transpose. A transpose is 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1. This is A transpose plus B transpose. We find out here B transpose. B transpose, and its transpose is minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. This is B transpose, and we here write B transpose, and we write here B transpose minus 1 1 2 2 1 3. This is B transpose, and addition of these two matrices is 1 minus 1 3 2 4 1 5 minus 1 2 1 2 2 4 0 1 1 1 3 4. And this is right hand side. Left hand side equal में right hand side. In second part we verify that A minus B and its transpose equal में A transpose minus B transpose. Now left hand side. At first we calculate A minus B, and A minus B is here A and here is B. 3 minus 1 minus minus 1 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 0 minus 1 minus 1 4 minus 1 3 2 minus 2 0 1 minus 3 minus 2. And now we calculate A minus B transpose, and here transpose is 4 minus 3 minus 1 3 0 minus 2, left hand side. And now right hand side, A transpose minus B transpose. A transpose here, A transpose here, A transpose 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1, and B transpose is minus 1 1 2 2 1 3. This is B transpose, and now we find out A transpose minus B transpose. both the matrices subtract each other. 3 minus minus 1, 4. 3 and minus minus plus. 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 2 minus 2, 0. And 0 minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. This is right hand side. And this is left hand side. Both the sides are equal each other. Then left hand side equal में right hand side. In question number 4 is A transpose equal में -2 3 1 2. This is A transpose and B matrix. Here B matrix -1 0 1 2 B, and this is A transpose, but here not A matrix. Then we find out A is transpose of A transpose -2 3 1 2. This is A and this is B matrix. Then we find A plus 2B and its transpose. In this A plus 2B, we find out 2B. 2B is, we multiply B matrix by 2. Then -2 0 2 4. This is 2B. And we find out A plus 2B and its transpose. Now first A plus 2B is A matrix. Here A matrix -2 1 3 2 and 2B matrix. This is 2B -2 0 2 4. Addition of these two matrices is -4 1 5 6. This is A plus 2B and A plus 2B and its transpose is -4 1 5 6. This is required matrix. In question number 5, first part, A matrix is 1 -4 3 and B matrix is -1 2 1. This is column matrix and this is row matrix. We verify that at first part A B transpose equal में B transpose and product with A transpose. At first left hand side we find out AB. A matrix is 1 -4 3 and B matrix is -1 2 1. Its product is 1 -1 -1 1 2 2 1 1 1 and -1 4 2 -8 -4 1 -4. And in third row and first column here -3 6 and 3. This is AB and we find out AB transpose. Transpose of AB is -1 2 1. Second row changes in second column 4 -8 -4 -3 6 3. This is left hand side. And now right hand side B transpose and A transpose and its product. At first we find out A transpose. A transpose is 1 -4 3. This is A and this is A transpose. And B transpose, this is row matrix becomes in column matrix -1 to 1. This is B transpose, and we find out B transpose and A transpose. Here B transpose -1 to 1, and A transpose is 1 -4 3. Product of these two matrices is -1 1 -1 -1 -4 4 -1 3 2 1 2 2 -4 -8 2 3 6, and 1 1 1 1 -4 -4 1 3 3. This is right hand side, and this is left hand side. Both the sides are equal, then left hand side equal में right hand side. In second part we have matrix A is 0 1 2 and B matrix is 1 5 7, and we verify A B transpose equals में B transpose and A transpose. At first AB is A 0 1 2 and B is 1 5 7. Then AB is any product of AB 0 1 0 0 5 0 0 7 0 1 1 1 1 5 5 1 7 7 2 1 2 2 5 10 2 7 14. This is AB, and its transpose is 0 0 0 1 5 7 2 10 14. This is transpose. This is left hand side, and at first we find out A transpose. A transpose is 0 1 2 and B transpose is 1 5 7. And now left hand side here and right hand side here, B transpose and A transpose. B transpose, this is B transpose 1 5 7. A transpose 0 1 2. Product of these two matrices is 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 2 2 5 0 0 5 1 5 5 2 10 7 0 0 7 1 7 7 2 14. This is right hand side. This is right hand side, this is left hand side. Both the sides are equal. So in this exercise 3.3 only we transpose of matrices, and the second is symmetric and skew symmetric. These two definitions in next. Question number 6, first part. Here A is matrix cos alpha, sin alpha and minus sin alpha and cos alpha. This is A matrix, and we verify A transpose and its A equals में identity matrix. Then we find out A transpose. A transpose is cos alpha sin alpha. This row matrix becomes in column minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now we multiply both the matrices, then cos alpha cos square alpha, cos alpha cos alpha cos square alpha minus sine plus sine square alpha. And now cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha 0. Now in second row sin alpha cos alpha and minus sin alpha cos alpha 0. Product of sin alpha sin square alpha and plus cos alpha cos square alpha plus cos square alpha. Now cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, and this is identity matrix of order 2. In second part we have a sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. This is A, and we verify A transpose and A equals में identity matrix. A transpose is sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. This is A transpose. Now A transpose and A is A transpose sin alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. This is A transpose, and here A is sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. Product of these two matrices is sin alpha sin square alpha plus minus cos plus cos square alpha, and in second column sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha 0, and in second row cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, this is 0, and in second column cos alpha cos square alpha and plus sin square alpha. And now this is 1 0 0 1, because this is formula sin square alpha plus cos square alpha and is 1. So this is identity matrix of order 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर जो 7 है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 फर्स्ट पार्ट, A matrix is 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3, and we show that is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix, those matrices whose A transpose equal में A. This is symmetric matrix. It means we transpose of A and we have same matrix. Then A transpose is 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3. This is A transpose and this is A. Both the matrices are same. Then this is symmetric matrix. In second part is skew symmetric. A matrix is 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. This is A. And skew symmetric matrix is this is A transpose equals में negative of A. This is skew symmetric. It means A transpose is 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. This is A transpose and this is A. This transpose is negative of A. It means 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 0 0 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. It means A transpose is negative of A. So this is skew symmetric. The condition of skew symmetric is A transpose equals में negative of A and symmetric matrix is A transpose equals में A matrix. These two definitions are symmetric and skew symmetric. So now question number 8. In question number 8, A matrix equals में 1 5 6 7 and in first part we verify A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Then A transpose is 1 5 6 7 and A plus A transpose A 1 5 6 7 plus A transpose 1 6 5 7. This is 2 11 11 14. This is A plus A transpose. This is, and we find out the symmetric means A plus A transpose and its transpose is same. Then 2 11 11 14. This is A plus A transpose means A plus A transpose and its transpose is A plus A transpose. It means if we assume that this is A transpose and this is A, this is symmetric matrix. In second part, we verify that A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Matrix. Then we find out A minus A transpose. A 1 5 6 7 minus A transpose 1 5 6 7. This is 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus 6 minus 1, 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 1 0. This is A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose is 0 minus 1 1 0. And we find out skew symmetric. It means A minus A transpose and its transpose is 0 minus 1 1 0. and this is equal में negative of A minus A transpose. Then it is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. In question number 9, find 1/2 A plus A transpose and 1/2 A minus A transpose. We have A matrix is 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. Now we find out A transpose, and A transpose is 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. And now A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose, this is A and this is A transpose, 0 A minus minus A minus 2A, this is 2A, A minus minus A 2A, and we find out 1/2 A minus A transpose. It means we divide this matrix by 2, means 1/2 0 2A 2B minus 2A 0 2C minus 2B minus 2C 0. Now we have, if we divide both the elements by 2, then we have 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0, and we find out A plus A transpose. A plus A transpose is both the matrices we add 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is A plus A transpose, and we find out 1/2 A plus A transpose is 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0. This is 0 matrix, and this is 1/2 A plus A transpose. So if you understand all the questions, then like the video and subscribe the channels and share in your friends. Thank you.